This presentation will orient you to defining an island roughing strategy using Autodesk Inventor HSM Pro CAM software. Open the CAD model of a part, select the CAM tab, select Tool Isometric. Now set up the machining strategy. Select Setup and confirm the operation type is milling. Confirm the orientation and then the stock box point. Select the Stock tab. Use a relative size box option. Use the No Additional Stock option since the part was already prepared to machine by the facing operation. Select 2D Pocket under the 2D Milling panel. This may not be intuitive since a pocket is often thought of as a recess into a face. The 2D Pocket operation within HSM Pro is used to create a pocket toolpath from chained contours rather than surfaces or solids. Click Tool and then the Tool Library. Select a tool such as the 1/2-inch end mill. Click Select. Select the Geometry tab. The pocket selection is enabled. Select the surface at the bottom of the pocket. Select the next tab, Heights. Verify that the defaults are correct. Select the next tab, Passes. Several parameters should be changed from the default values. Confirm that the direction is set to be left climb milling. Change the maximum step over to a more conservative 50% of the tool diameter, which is 0.25 inches. There is an option available to make this value the default. Right-click in the entry field and click Edit the expression. A pop-up window shows a formula. The default formula calculates a 95% step over. Change this to 0.5 and then select OK. To use this formula as the new default, then right-click in the entry field, then click Make Default. Select multiple depths. Right-click on the maximum roughing step down to see the default for this value. The pop-up window shows an absolute value. Enter 50% of the tool diameter, which is 0.25 inches. Select OK. To use this formula as the new default, then right-click in the entry field, then click Make Default. Uncheck Stock to Leave since this strategy will not use finishing operations. The last tab is Linking. The default values will be used for this operation. Select OK to save the information. The toolpath is calculated and displayed on the stock. Select Simulate. Check the Show Part Comparison option. Select Play. The tool removes material down to the bottom of the pocket. There is no remaining material to remove since there are no internal corners, allowing the tool to access the material required to be removed. An advantage of this close association between part geometry and the CAM strategy is the ability to update each efficiently. To change the part dimension, select the 3D Model tab, change the browser from CAM to Model. Open the feature to be changed. Right-click the sketch, change the dimension. This part was modeled parametrically, so the location automatically updates. Select Finish Sketch. Select CAM on the ribbon. Change the browser from Model to CAM. The 2D contour operations defined previously now display a red X. This indicates that the operation is not valid. If the parameters previously defined in the operation are correct, then select Generate on the Toolpath panel to recalculate the operations. Select Simulate, Setup, and then Play to see the new strategy simulation. Select Close to save the values you entered. Continue developing the habit of saving your work frequently. Continue on to the next presentation in this instructional series.